And today it's the 30th of September 2021. We have Jänislahdenkatu 15 and Lentävänniemi here in one of the suburbs of Tampere, Finland. And this is an Otis Gen 2 elevator. Capacity is 8 floors, so 600 grams. But still with the Otis 1000 pictures.
Yeah, and it doesn't say Gen 2.
Yeah, it doesn't say it. It was probably built in early 2004. This is the second floor, which is the main one in this case. With 5 floors. The serial number is B1NE3642. It will be expected next year, 2022. And of course, this is not at all the latest one with those 1000 in Finland.
Yeah.
Because we have seen the 1006 in Lappeenranta, some. That's the absolutely latest one.
Yeah.
It says 2003 here, so yeah, that's exactly how it's said. It's early 2004.
Yeah.
Not on the bunker, but on the door.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is probably like January, February 2004.
Yeah.
Yeah. So of course, I would like to get to the buildings 11 and 13 also.
Yeah.
Because they probably also maybe they're 2003. They might be even late 2003.
Yeah.
But sometimes a bit difficult to film these ones because of the light is. The light is kind of.
Yeah.
And this one lacks the Otis logo on the door rail.
Yeah.
It could have had it.
Yeah.
It's maybe something that they forgot.
Yeah.
I like the sounds in there.
Same.
Of course it deserves a second life.
Yeah.
Because this is a lot better than any practice.
Yeah.
I mean, they should have used these for much longer time than 2006.
Yeah.
Until 2010 or even later.
Yeah.
Because this is so timeless.
Yeah.
And in Sweden, they have found from late 1993 the first ones.
Oh.
Yeah, I think they are 1993.
Yeah.
But those must be the absolutely earliest ones.
Yeah.
There cannot be any earlier than that.
Yeah.
And that building was probably finished in 1994 maybe.
Yeah. Yeah.
But I think it's only found in Sweden, not in Finland.
Yeah.
Because I believe these pictures must have been very expensive in December 1993.
Yeah. Spektiit pakivais, mutta meidän autossa on alles gratis.
But of course, since we have found an 1000 and one in Tampere, Otis Gen 2,
Yeah.
it wouldn't be completely impossible to find also December 1993 with those 2000 direction. But I wouldn't be surprised if we never find it here.
Yeah.
Well, that it's only in Sweden.
Yeah.
Because it was so expensive. Yeah. Alright, that's it. And thank you very much for watching.
That's it.